You drop your cell phone and hear that sickly crack of glass, or you close the trunk lid and hear that same sound. Oh my goodness. Hello YouTube, my name's Sammy and welcome back to Sammy's Workshops. For today, I've got a short unsponsored product review to share with you. Before we get to today's video, be sure and hit the like, subscribe, and click on the alert bell to get notified of new videos as they're being uploaded. New videos are uploaded every week on Wednesday with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram or support the channel on Patreon. Have a website as well for patterns and plans that are available, and you also will find links to the tools and supplies I use if you want to get those same items in the comments below. Now let's get to today's project. Recently, I needed to replace and upgrade my cell phone. I'd been using an older iPhone 4S and it was working just fine most of the time when new releases of Apple's iOS didn't, eat up all my phone memory. At some point in time, I knew I'd need to replace it, but I'd been procrastinating. Yay me, you know how that goes. Working on the patio roof project, which you'll see in a couple of videos here eventually, it fell. Yep, it was in one of those great cases, but it landed face down in the gravel desert landscaping I have, caught a rock, and cracked the screen. Oh, rats. And of course, I knew eventually it would come apart, cut my hand, or just quit working, what have you. So I figured, okay, I'll upgrade, get a nicer camera with a little more memory for shooting some early videos. I'll get a twofer deal out of this. So through my carrier, I ordered a new iPhone 7. Yeah, the 10s were out, but they're still very pricey, and the 7 was in my budget, so winner, winner. Ordered the same rugged outside case that I'd had for the 4, only to fit the 7, and added something my cell phone provider had called a First Defense tempered glass screen shield from Qmadix. Less than a month later, I'm over in New Mexico building and shooting the video for some workshop tables, another upcoming video, and as I'm loading up to come home, I set the phone on the rear quarter panel of the car with the trunk lid open. As I walked by it to get something in or out of the rear side door, and without thinking, I pushed the trunk lid to close it and heard that sickly crack. You know the one, you feel it all the way down in the pit of your stomach. And it just really got me. Sure enough, I've cracked the new phone too. I get home, I go over to the Apple store since I had wisely bought the Apple Care protection, and they let me know that a screen repair or replacement is a $25 copay, and I thought, okay, cheap enough, until I began to strip the case and the shield off so the tech could take a look at it. When the screen protector came off, which I hadn't wanted to touch beforehand in case the screen came apart in shards, the screen was perfect. Only the Qmadix protector had cracked. And as the photo shows, it was both cracked and chipped. See all those lovely spiders? The tech there said he's never seen anything like it. So home I went, and online I went ASAP to get another one of these magnificent screen protectors. Couldn't get another one through my provider. They only sell them at the time they sell you a phone. But guess what? For $11.95 plus shipping on Amazon, I got the exact same one I'd gotten through my provider, and for the same price. Here's how it installs. It's easy. You use the supplied cleaner cloth to clean the screen, let it air dry a few moments or two, then peel the backing off and carefully center the screen protector and set it down on your phone. Quickly work the visible air out from the center to the outsides, slip the whole package back into the same phone case, and snap on the wrapper, and voila! An awesome product. They make them in several sizes for different versions of iPhones and for several Samsung Galaxies. Links to all of those on Amazon will be in the description below. Prices do vary a little bit depending upon which phone you're ordering it for. That's all I have for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe and click on the alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded. New videos should be posted every week on Wednesday with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a website as well for patterns I digitize and plans to download. Links to both of those will also be in the comments below. Links to some of the tools and supplies I use, as I noted here with the Qmadix protectors, are down there. Thanks again for stopping by. Do come again soon. Until next time, see ya!